Hey guys, it's Makai from Makai's Corner, and today I will be doing a video for my friend Jasmine because she did a video on how to do it. She asked people how to do an intro, and she also asked me personally. So I'm just gonna do a video for her, and yeah. So and so I'm just gonna do how I did my intro, and hopefully you guys can learn how to do an intro. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, first you want to go to Google and choose background. Okay, so I'm just gonna search up background. No, I don't want that background for YouTube video. See what comes up. Hopefully I can find the one I was using. If not, I'll just make a whole new intro. I'm just gonna make a whole new intro. But first let's look up intro. Okay, I don't think I can find anything here, so I'm just gonna choose a good one. Ooh, that one looks nice. So you want to take a screenshot of whatever. If you have Apple and you have a new update, you can do this. Crop the photo to the regular size, save to photos. Then you have it saved. And then you want to go out. I have this whole folder for YouTube editing, and you want to go to first you want to, okay, so you want to go back to Google, look up some GIFs, and so cute GIFs animated. So this is what I looked up, and this is the one I have for my video, but I'm not going to use that because I'm making a whole new intro. Ooh, I think I'm going to use this elephant. Let's take a screen. Oh my gosh, that is weird. But let's just take a different screenshot before it does all that. And then you want to crop it to a smaller photo. If you want, it would be easy if you crop it to a smaller photo. But you don't have to. Excuse me. Now you go to Magic Eraser. Sorry, it's kind of weird on this one. It's sideways. But yeah, and you want to erase it. Okay, guys. So basically, you just want to, if you have a little space, you want to zoom in and choose the littlest thing you could get and erase that. And none of these apps that I'm using cost money. I don't use any apps to edit my videos that cost money. So anyone can do this tutorial. And then you just want to, if you have any mistakes you did, press the restore button and restore everything. Then you want to choose the transparent background with all the checkered dots. Not the white background because that will not work. Then you want to go to Fonto. Put your background on. I like to use Chrome. but you can use progress, transfer normal, whatever you want. I'm using Chrome. Okay, then you want to add your whatever item you have. You can size it anything you want. I think big would be just fine. And yeah, then you want to save the photo. Save. Okay, guys, so then you want to go. Wait, no. You actually want to go to iMovie and then go to create a new movie. Just choose the photo that you had. And just save that, because you can watch it if you want, but it's just like a photo. It just makes it a video, so you can put it into Vont. So save that. You can watch it, but I'm not going to. Then you want to go to the thing, save the video. Anything you want. I'm going to save HD. It takes really quick to save when it's a really short video. So yeah. Now you want to go back to Vont, download Vont, load new video, and yeah, use original video. Okay, now you can add words to your thing. Watch it, whatever you want to do with it. I think I'm going to add corner first, actually. See how that works out. Make it like a color that will be vibrant. I like that color. Okay. I think it was that one. No, that's too dark. Change that one dark. Can I use that one? Can I play with some of the kinetics here? I actually think I'm going to do Kaya's first. So, let's put that in there. And then you can choose whatever thing you want. I think I'm going to do zoom in on this one. So, actually zoom out, yeah. And then we wait a little bit and put corner. And I'll put zoom in for this one. And then you can add some things like fun, toys, games, gaming, whatever you want. So I think I'm going to add that no, I don't want to load a new video. Fun. I'll make it blue because you can make it your favorite color, whatever color you want. This is just an example intro, but I'll do blue. And toys. You can tilt it, so Yeah. Now we can save the video. Okay, beginning part, this. So guys, let's delete this. This is how you add music to your intro. You go to iMovie, choose theme music. You say theme one. Choose Playful, which is the one I use for my intro. And yeah. Then you can save the video and you're done. So guys, I hope you learned how to do an intro in this video. And if you did, make sure to comment down below if you want that to be my new intro, because it's a pretty cool intro. So if you guys want it to be my new one, comment down below. I want it to be a new intro. Also subscribe to my friend Jocelyn's channel. Her name on YouTube is just Jocelyn Lopez. And yeah, subscribe to her and get her to 5 subscribers. So, yeah, if you learned how to do an intro in this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and more. Bye!